We're beginning with some breaking news that has come in. New Delhi has handed over the fourth dossier, or rather the response that has been called by Home Minister to the Pakistan High Commission. These are pictures coming in from South Block, where the Pakistan High Commissioner was summoned by the MEA. This comes moments after Home Minister P. Chidambaram had in his monthly report said that India is handing over more proof to Pakistan. This is the evidence that Pakistan had been asking for to continue with the 26/11 trial and also with the proceedings against those that they call are the perpetrators of 26/11, the plotters of 26/11 rather. Those pictures coming in from New Delhi, where the Pakistan High Commissioner had been summoned. A 7-page response has been handed over to the MEA. The dossier, or rather response that has been handed over to the Pakistan High Commission, contains replies to all of Pakistan's queries. These are details that Times Now has been able to access. The 7-page response, which has certain annexures, makes it about a 60-page report that has been given to the Pakistan High Commissioner. Those pictures there of the Pakistan High Commissioner arriving at South Block in New Delhi. According to the details that we have, this fourth dossier, as it's being called, has records of calls made to the 26/11 terrorists from their handlers in Pakistan. Srinjoy Chaudhary on the phone line with us once again. Srinjoy, give us more details of what exactly this response holds.
Well, very simply, this is a 60-page dossier, as you rightly said, that was handed over to Rifat Masood, Deputy High Commissioner of Pakistan. There are two basic issues that have been handled by this. Number one, this has a detail of all the telephone calls that were made from Pakistan, where it was made from, what the numbers were, how long the calls were, in some cases, what the conversations were about. All that has been handed over to Pakistan, whether they were satellite phone calls or on internet protocol phone calls. All of that has gone to Pakistan. That is what they wanted. The second thing that they wanted, and very quickly, was the fact that they wanted the statements that were made in the court. Sometimes Kassav, sometimes others. A lot of the statements were not in English, and this time all the statements that have been handed over are all in English. So now no one can really complain that they cannot understand this language or that language. They are in English and they have been handed over. These are the two basic issues that have been dealt as far as this July 11 questions that were sent by Pakistan.